Hello, my country people, like it's na BBC Pidgin service, and we come to live from the Supreme Court premises for Abuja, Nigeria.
So after after all the expectations,
between the
this country will never change.
Government and the Nnamdi Kanu.
Nigerian government I may change
Nnamdi Kanu matter don't they for court since 2021 start from the federal high court from there to the appeal court, then from there it can land.
Watch the video. I can the outcome of today's court judgment.
Hello, my country people, like it's na BBC Pidgin service, and we come to on our live from the Supreme Court premises for Abuja, Nigeria capital, where the Supreme Court just give judgment between the matter between federal government and Nnamdi Kanu. And I know say Nnamdi Kanu matter don't they for courts since 2021. It starts from the federal high court, from there to the appeal court, then from there it can land for the Supreme Court. And I want just give a summary of waiting happen for court so far. Well, the people body for here, body no sweet them. Everybody just they sad. They just they vex. They waka comot. They talk about the supporters of Nnamdi Kanu. We come court today with plenty expectations. Say judgment will go in their favor, but unfortunately, it no go in their favor. Sake of say the Supreme Court talk say Nnamdi Kanu will continue to face trial. Make I just give some of the things where the panel of judges agree on, where them read for court today. And I remember say before this matter come the Supreme Court, it be done land for the Court of Appeal, where the panel of judges for Court of Appeal been talk say sake of the way where then take bring Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria, and where then describe as abduction, kidnapping, where no follow and the normal legal process where then they carry and bring people from abroad where they allege say commit crime. Sake of the way where them bring them, say court no even get any basis to hear the matter, and Nnamdi Kanu not even supposed to stand trial. And I remember say the appeal court talk say make Nnamdi Kanu no stand trial at all. But the Supreme Court can't talk say Nnamdi Kanu trial go continue. And then talk say even though they agree with within the Court of Appeal talk, the Supreme Court agree say the process where they take carry Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria no dey normal. Say it dey likely to kidnap and abduction with, and it no dey okay. This one are the extrajudicial procedure where they no follow well. So the court talk say they agree with wetin Supreme Court talk, sake of say the way where they bring Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria they illegal. They no follow the right procedure. But again, they talk say that one where the judges for the appeal court talk na international law, na be that, and they no cite any legislation for Nigeria where talk say person where they allege say commit crime, say the way where they take bring them in matter whether the person go stand trial or not. Supreme Court say yes, so they agree, say the way where they take bring Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria, na they illegal, na illegality. But even though the process where they take bring them, they illegal, that one no means say in no go face a trial. The Supreme Court talk say as far as Nigeria they consign, the appeal court no cite any legislation where talk say make person where they arrest illegally no stand trial. They talk say as far as the Nigeria position for law they consigned, anybody where they suspect or we get reasonable thing when you do, we be say they suspect them as criminal or as crime, whether they go kidnap them for also, whether they bring down in also, the person go still face trial. But then talk say make Nigeria also on their part try to follow the rule of law. So this thing where they do Nnamdi Kanu, the way they take bring and come Nigeria, make them no do one again. Say the thing no good well, you no follow law, you no follow procedure. But even as they don't talk that one, the trial will still continue from the Federal High Court where they stop. So the summary of the matter be say Nnamdi Kanu trial will continue, and the legal team of Nnamdi Kanu, where Kanu Agabi SAN they lead, beg court say I beg, and they no get wetin they go do again, but then they beg court say make the trial process happen sharp, make them speed up the process. Say it don't take when Nnamdi Kanu dey detention with all this back and forth where then they go all this way. So as court don't talk say make the trial continue, then they beg them make the case happen sharp. So the summary of the matter be say they allow the appeal and dismiss the cross appeal. And I remember say the appeal and cross appeal matter now when the appeal court say make them no try Nnamdi Kanu again, now federal government can go appeal to the Supreme Court. So country people, now so the matter be court say the way they take bring Nnamdi Kanu no make sense, it no follow legal process. Yes, they no do well, but that one no mean say the trial will stop because of the way they take arrest and bring and come to Nigeria. They also thought say that one na international law, but for Nigerian law never mature to that stage where we say and the way they take arrest person will stop the trial of the person whether he commits crime or not. So country people, now the long and short of the matter be this: Nnamdi Kanu trial will continue. And we get plenty to read for our Facebook page, our Instagram page, our different social media handle. The full story of what happened for court today, they there. We just to say make we explain to country people as it take happen for court today. This is BBC Pidgin. We thank you for day with us. Make you continue to follow us for our website and all our social media platforms. As I talked before, people body they hot for here. The environment just they calm, we they sad, they're not happy because they expect say Nnamdi Kanu go free today, but still no go their way. So country people, now here we go match break for this live video. We thank you. We hope say you understand everything we happen today. Country people, now here we go match break. On a bye for now.